Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google's Gemini to create digital copies of old physical photos. So let's start by going to gemini.google.com and you should see this prompt screen. I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus button right here to add our files. Gonna click on upload files and I'm going to navigate to the photos I want digitized. So they've uploaded now and I'm going to start writing our prompt. I have an old photo album excerpt here. I want you to create. I'm pretty satisfied with that prompt. Let's go ahead and press enter to submit and see what it gives us. This should load Nano Banana. There we go. If sometimes the prompt doesn't work quite right, you can always click on the redo button that pops up right below the AI's response. That didn't work quite right. So let's go ahead and click on redo. Let's click try again. And there we go. Now we have two of our original photos digitally restored and in much higher quality than the original. So if we take a closer look at the original, it's a bit out of focus and blurry as well as faded, whereas these are a lot sharper, still keeps the colors of the original well preserved, but overall increases the fidelity. So I'm very happy with this product. I'm gonna go ahead, mouse over this and click on download full size. And now I have a digital copy that is timeless. So I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful. And thank you for watching.